All right, let's talk about getting unstuck. Today, we're diving into Carnelian, a really powerful tool for turning that feeling of hesitation into real, grounded, motivated action. You know that feeling, right? There's this important task, something you actually want to get done, but you're just hit with this wall of resistance. That's exactly the kind of hesitation we're going to tackle. And this is our ally. This is Carnelian. It's a crystal that really helps you bridge that gap, moving you from feeling totally stuck to taking clear, confident action. But before we get into how it helps, let's start with the science. Because, understanding what carnelian actually is helps us understand what it does. So, at its very core, carnelian is a type of quartz from the chalcedony family. And all those beautiful, warm orange and red colors, that's just iron oxide. It's geology, pure and simple. These little facts here really paint a picture of stability. It's part of a huge quartz family, it's formed in intense volcanic environments, and it has this distinct earthy look. This is not some fragile stone, its whole foundation is solid. And this number right here, this tells you about its physical durability. On the Mohs scale of hardness, carnelian clocks in at a 6.5 to 7, which is pretty tough. And honestly, that physical resilience is the perfect metaphor for the steady, stable energy it brings. And this is not a new idea at all. For thousands of years, Indian carnelian was the go-to for making things like beads and tools, precisely because it was so durable. It has this incredible history of just being practical and super reliable. So how do we get from a durable stone to a spark of motivation for you? Let's connect the dots between its physical properties and its energetic benefits. People often describe the energy of carnelian as warm and direct, but definitely not overwhelming. Think about the sustained heat from its volcanic beginnings and that vibrant color from its iron. It gives you a steady, grounded push forward, not a jarring jolt of energy. So, how does that actually help you in your day to day? Well, it's all about finding that focused motivation, encouraging consistent follow through, and really cutting down on that initial hesitation. It nurtures your personal drive, helping you take clear, grounded action. And for those of you who work with energy systems, carnelian has a strong connection to the sacral chakra, your center of creativity and passion, and also to the fire element. You put that combination together, and it's just pure fuel for your personal drive in creating steady, forward movement. I love thinking about it this way. It helps you stop the cycle of overthinking and delaying, and instead start taking those small, steady steps that build real momentum. It's a shift from all that second guessing to reconnecting with your own confidence. Okay, theory is great, but let's make this super practical. We're going to do a quick guided activation to help you experience a small but really powerful win right now. First, I want you to ask yourself this question. Don't think about the entire project, just one small manageable step. What's one little thing that would make you feel more grounded today? Get that one thing clear in your mind. And this is the affirmation we're going to use. It's not about rushing, it's about steady, clear progress. I move at a pace that works for me. I follow through with clarity. Just let that sink in for a moment. Okay, here we go. If you have a piece of carnelian, hold it now. If not, just visualize its warm orange color right in your hand. Take a deep, grounding breath. Now, focus all of your intention on but one small step you identified. Silently or aloud, repeat the affirmation. I move at a pace that works for me. I follow through with clarity. And finally, make a commitment to yourself to spend just 5 focused minutes on that task as soon as we're done here. Perfect. You've just created this moment of focused intention. Now, let's carry that momentum directly into action for the next 5 minutes. Go ahead and take your carnelian and place it on your desk or wherever you're about to work. Let it be a physical anchor for your intention, a little visual reminder to help you stay focused on that one task. So, what's the most important thing to remember from all of this? It's really simple. Carnelian is a tool that supports grounded motivation and steady, consistent forward movement. And you know what? You just proved it to yourself. And that brings us to the final question. We're done. The intention is set. What one thing will you give your focused energy to right now? Go for it.